Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super important topic: how to pay collections on Experian in 2025. If you're dealing with debt collections on your credit report, this step-by-step guide will help you take control and boost your credit score. Let's dive right in. First things first, what exactly is Experian? It's one of the big three credit bureaus that tracks your financial history, including any collections. Those are basically debts that have been handed over to collection agencies because they're overdue. In 2025, Experian has made things even easier with updated features like seamless mobile payments and AI-assisted tools, so paying off collections is more straightforward than ever. Step 1. Make sure you have an Experian account. If you don't, head to the Experian website or app and sign up for free. It's quick and secure. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Credit Report section. This is where you'll find a detailed overview of your credit activity. Next, locate the Collections or Derogatory Items tab. Here, you'll see a list of any outstanding collections. Click on the specific one you want to pay. Experian now allows you to view details like the original creditor and the amount owed. Now, for the payment process, select the Pay Now option. In 2025, you'll have flexible choices like credit cards, debit cards, bank transfers, or even installment plans. Double-check the amount to avoid any surprises, then confirm your payment. Experian uses advanced encryption for security, so your info is safe. After you've made the payment, keep an eye on your credit report. It might take a few days for the update to reflect, but once it does, that collection should be marked as paid. Pro tip: always get a confirmation email and consider disputing any errors if needed. Paying off collections isn't just about clearing debt, it's a game changer for your financial future. It can improve your credit score and open doors to better loans. If you're overwhelmed, think about consulting a credit counselor for personalized advice. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on managing your finances. See you in the next video.